Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Um, are you looking to trade crypto directly inside MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add and trade crypto in MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Okay, the process is the same both in MT4 and MT5. All right, so it doesn't matter whether you're using MT4 or you're using MT5, it's the same process. Okay, the same process. Okay, I'm just going to show you the step-by-step guide, fast and simple. Now, let's just get right into it. First of all, make sure that your broker actually offers crypto trading. All right. Not every MT4 or MT5 broker has cryptocurrencies available by default. So you have to log into your account and check their instrument list. You're looking for symbols like BTC USD, ETH USD, or other crypto pairs. All right. So now let's just view the market watch here. All right. Let's go to symbols. Now we can see that this particular broker, I think this is the the MetaQuotes account. You can see that there are no crypto here, right? There are no crypto options here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to log into another account that offers crypto. So this is exactly what I'm talking about. If your broker does not offer crypto, then you might have to check if it is that particular account type that does not have the crypto option. If it is that particular account type that don't have the crypto option, then you might have to, you might have to open another account with the same broker. It could be that the broker offers different account types. Maybe that particular account type does not have crypto, so you might want to check if there is another account type that offers crypto. But if it is that your broker entirely does not offer any crypto assets whatsoever, it doesn't matter whether it's not concerning account type. Maybe they don't offer crypto at all. Then if you want to trade crypto, maybe you might have to use another broker. Okay, so let's just look at this particular broker. We can see that okay, let me go to CFD. Okay, you can see that this particular broker offers crypto. The broker that I just logged into right now, you can see the offer crypto. All right, so like I said, if you don't see the crypto option, you might need to open a different account type or request activation from your broker, or maybe use a different broker entirely. So once you're logged into the platform, you go to the market watch window. All right, you right click anywhere, you select symbols. You'll see a list of folders categorized by asset type. Just look for the one labeled crypto, or maybe crypto CFDs, or something just about cryptocurrencies. All right, so you expand that folder, right? And okay, you're gonna see the different crypto assets that are being offered. All right, so now you right click here. In case this show all option it's not grayed out, you ensure that you click on it. Now your crypto assets should be available here. Okay, so you can then drag and drop, and the crypto asset is going to be opened on your chart. All right, now to place your first trade, you can just right click any of the crypto symbols in market watch. Whichever symbol you want to execute a trade on, you can right click on it, and when you do that, you can just click on new order, right? So from here it works just like Forex. All right, you choose your lot size, you check the spread, you set your stop loss and take profit, and you choose your market execution or pending order, right, depending on your strategy, right, depending on your trading style. Okay, then click the buy or sell button and your position is live. Also, you can decide to just use the one-click trading option. If you want to do that, you can just set the lot size from here, ensure that you have done your due diligence, done your analysis correctly, and ensure that you have risk management practices in place. So once you set your lot size here, you can just click the sell button or click the buy button, and boom, the trade is executed instantly. All right, now here's what makes crypto trading different, right? The trading hours are 247. Crypto trades 24/7 with most brokers offering access even on the weekends. All right. For example, I'm just going to show you something real quick. You can see this is Saturday. As at the time of recording this video, you can see that this is actually Saturday if you look down here. But you can see that the asset is live, right? You can see that the symbol is actually tradable at the time, because the cryptocurrency is available even during the weekend. Okay, so that is one of the unique features of trading cryptocurrencies. You have access to them even on the weekend, so they are open, they are available for trading 24/7 with most brokers. All right, and then with respect to volatility, crypto pairs move fast, right? So you expect larger candles and more sudden moves. Okay, and then with respect to spreads, this can be wider than what you were used to in Forex. Okay, sometimes the spreads on cryptocurrencies can be quite wide, right? You can see okay, the spread is actually floating, it's not fixed, right? But if you look closely, you can see the difference between the ask price and the bid price is actually fluctuating though. Yeah, but in some cases you might actually see wider spreads compared to the spreads that you might see on some Forex pairs. Okay, then now talking about leverage, most brokers apply lower leverage for crypto to manage risk. In order to reduce the risk exposure. Some brokers just ensures that you have lower leverage access to cryptocurrencies. All right, so you have to plan your trades accordingly and avoid over leveraging, all right, especially during major news events or high volatility, right? While trading crypto, ensure that you always have your risk management practices in place. All right, do not trade on amount you cannot afford to lose. Do not risk more than 1 to 2% of your account balance per trade, all right, for a more conservative approach. Now, that is exactly how to add and trade crypto in MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Remember that the process is similar, whether you're using MT4 or MT5, just follow the same process, okay? Now you're ready to dive into BTC, ETH, and more, all right, all within your favorite trading platform, okay? Now, some brokers might actually offer more cryptocurrencies compared to others. Some might just offer a few cryptocurrencies. Okay, so if you want to trade a particular cryptocurrency and it's not available with your broker, well, you might have to try out another broker, or you can just go ahead with the ones that are available. All right, so if this helped you out, hit that like button, drop a comment if you've got questions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more straightforward trading tutorials every day. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.